Welcome to our tutorial on how to reply to a message on WhatsApp chat. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to effectively respond to a message on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your device. This can usually be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the app, navigate to the conversation that includes the message you want to reply to. Next, swipe right on the message that you wish to reply to. This action will reveal a text box where you can type your response. Take your time crafting your message to ensure it effectively communicates your thoughts or answer. Once you have written your reply, tap the send arrow icon located next to the text box. This will send your response to the conversation, allowing the other participants to view your message. And there you have it. You have successfully replied to a message on WhatsApp chat. Remember to always be mindful of your responses and communicate effectively to maintain clear and concise conversations. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Have a great day.